Life is about living fully and creating memories that last. From the first sunrise on the sand to palm trees swaying in the breeze, Miami Beach is a place where love feels alive. Friends celebrate and new beginnings shine. On the water, speed and serenity flow side by side. Smiles sparkle as bright as the waves. Every gathering is a celebration, whether it's friendship, sisterhood, or playful love shared over food and laughter. And oh, the flavors. Dishes crafted to be savored and shared. Each bite a celebration of Miami's culture, color, and spice. And when the sun sets, the city dances. Bright lights, colorful rhythms, laughter, and love filling the night air. This is Miami Beach inspired. Food tours. Celebrate life with us.